The next tool we're going to talk about is the patch tool. So it's found grouped together with the spot healing tool. It's the third one down. And basically it works kind of the same way. It allows you to drag whatever custom shape you want to around an object. So you're not limited to just the circle like we talked about in the previous tutorial. So if I select this hot air balloon, now what I have to do is I have to click inside that selection somewhere, click inside and drag somewhere else. So obviously my clouds are pretty, they look like they have some texture in them. So obviously I don't want to drag it here because it's so, it looks so smooth. I want to drag it to other cloud areas to make it look textured. So you can kind of, it gives you a preview of what's going on. So let's say something like that's okay. Now don't worry too much about the color, just worry about the texture. So as you can see, it kind of looked like it was going to be green, but what Photoshop did is when I drug it over here, it took a sampling of the area where I had drug it. So it's taking a sampling of this area and replacing whatever selection I had made with the new area. So let's go down here to the bottom. Let's say I want to get rid of this farmhouse and these clump of trees. So I'm going to select this area. I'm trying to get as close to the object as possible. I don't want to make like a huge selection like that. I want to try to get as close as possible, but you don't have to be particular. Now obviously I don't want to go up here. Look what happens if I go up there. It's basically filling in the area that's around that selection. So it's taking some of the green up and some of this tan down, and it's getting rid of that horizon line, which we need. So I'm going to undo that. I'm going to click, I'm going to drag over here so that horizon line is now right where it should be. So that looks a lot better. It gets rid of those buildings and trees, but it allows you to keep that horizon line. So just pay attention where you're dragging areas to with the patch tool.